No Swear Match is about having fun. It's a drift festival. Tune, hear the pop when I dip. I'ma raise a cup for the hood and take a sip. I'ma have a fucking blast, crash the event. I'ma tell it to the class, he ain't really rich. Piccadilly eating ass, niggas talking shit. They was in the club smoking only one skip. When I get a steak, I need a side of grilled shrimp.